GAC Trumpchi Shadow Empow R-Max 2025 has been officially launched with a starting price of 83,000 renminbi. On April 15, GAC Trumpchi announced the official launch of the Trumpchi Shadow Leopard R-Max, with an official guide price of 118,000 yuan and a starting price of 83,000 yuan after subsidies. The appearance of the Shadow Leopard is basically the same as the previously released Shadow Leopard R-Style. It is equipped with the R-Style kit. There are vertically arranged grille structures on both sides of the front frame, while orange logos are added to the middle grille and front fenders. The rear of the vehicle features a large-sized fixed rear wing and a dual-sided 4-outlet exhaust. The rear frame also uses an imitation diffuser design. The body length, width and height of the vehicle are 4753/1850/1432 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,736 mm. The overall appearance is almost the same as the 2.0T Shadow Leopard R. The vehicle features a 3-spoke, flat-bottomed, multifunction steering wheel and a dual screen consisting of a 10.25-inch full LCD instrument cluster and a 7-inch central control display. It features the built-in Adigo Intelligent Driving Connectivity Ecosystem, Star Spirit Intelligent Travel, and comes standard with dual-zone intelligent voice recognition and CarPlay. Powered by a 1.5T engine with a maximum power of 130 kilowatts and a peak torque of 270 Nm. It is paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. The vehicle's acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is 6.95 seconds, while its WLTC comprehensive fuel consumption is stated as 5.96 L/100 km.